morning, Gales, and happy Monday. Hope you had a great Easter weekend. We are so excited to welcome you back and share with you some exciting events happening this week at the Hynes Institute. On Tuesday, April 6th at 12 p.m., CEO is hosting a 3D printing workshop in collaboration with the Fashion Club. Come out and print 3D jewelry that's going to be used in the fashion show and learn how your passion for fashion is entrepreneurial. RSVP by DMing CEO on Instagram. Reminder for everyone participating in this year's Iona Innovation Challenge that Milestone 2 is due April 11th at 11:59 p.m. It is a one-page executive summary and a 10-slide pitch deck about your business. As we get closer to the date, be sure to reach out to any member of the Hynes team or one of your mentors if you need any help with your submissions. We are so excited to see all of your ideas. That's all we have planned for this week, Gales. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at Hynes Institute to keep up with all the events we have going on this semester. Have a great week and stay safe.